Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix spam email appearing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Dealing with spam emails can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to fix the problem and reduce the amount of spam you receive. So what you can do is mark emails as spam, head over and open up your mail app, and then once you do that, select the mail that you want to report. Let me just select this one right here, long tap on it, and once you long tap on it, here you'll find the three dot option on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and on tapping you'll find the option that says report spam. Simply tap on this and then tap on report spam to report it as a spam. Next is you can unsubscribe from newsletters. If the spam email are coming from legitimate sources, look for the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email. Clicking it will stop for the promotional emails from that sender. You can also set up filters or rules and use a spam filters as well. And lastly, if that doesn't work, then you can simply change your email address if you're getting too much spam and none of the offer methods are effective. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.